Okay guys, we are in for it today. Got about an 8-hour car ride. So I don't want to spoil anything, but this morning we're going to pick up some sort of donor car for one of my cars. So I'm super excited to show you guys. And I apologize for not really posting that much last month. Been pretty busy with, work and just life in general. So yeah, but I'm back now and I got my own hat. So check that out. So life is good. This is just what I come into. The track is already being used. Not a bad way to start the morning. God, it's dark in here. Okay, next we need to figure out what kind of tools we need to take with us. And I think I have some, some old tool bags. I can take all my stuff. Okay, I think we'll be good. Got a socket set, couple speed wrenches, and then my big old Ugga-Dugga. Okay guys, we got the trailer, we got the tools. Now we just have to look forward to a 4-hour car ride to Carson City, Nevada. All right, we just hit Placerville. We're about 2 hours in. We have about 2 hours left. I have 86 miles to go, so we're chugging right along. Want to get out for a second and take a look at the American River. So freaking cool. And also the dookie wipes on the side of the road. That's nice. Nice touch. All right. It's got a freaking tree by a helicopter. When I got to Nevada, it was 109 degrees, so I didn't feel like waiting around and filming a whole lot. I just want to get in and get out. So here's a 78 Cobra II with a factory 4-speed with the whole pedal assembly. And I don't know if you guys could tell, but I don't think it was going to start up and just drive onto the trailer. So I had to pull it with some ratchet straps so I can kind of get a straight shot while using the winch to pull it onto the trailer. And in typical fashion, the doors were flying everywhere, so I had to stop and grab a ratchet strap. Only Facebook Marketplace can make me do an 8-hour round trip. I stopped at the fuel station for hopefully the last time, got some good food from In-N-Out, made a pit stop in Reno, and then just cannonballed my way back to Northern California. When I got back to the shop, I ended up just parking the trailer with the car on it. It's been sitting out for 10 years. One more night wasn't going to hurt it. Plus, getting the car off the trailer was going to be a whole nother thing. Okay, so we're back at the chop shop this morning, and we got to figure out how to move all this stuff around. And we need to get the old Mustang. Well, okay, that's an old Mustang, but we need to figure out how to get the new old Mustang onto the lift and start tearing that thing apart. All right, we got to put this big old honky tonk over in the trailer lot so we can free up some space. Get this thing out of here. I haven't even really gotten a picture or video of anything of my daily truck and this thing next to each other. It's kind of cool to see. Okay, now time to move this thing. Just give it a couple pumps here. Okay. Don't like it all the... Getting a full light, yeah. Come on, baby. Nice. First try. Okay. Come on. Okay, guys, as you can see, we have the new car in the shop, but it's still on the trailer, so we need to figure out how to get it off the trailer. I don't know how we're gonna do that because all 4 of the wheels are locked up. I got a couple ideas that we're gonna try, so let's get to it. Yeah, I didn't want it to come to this because I might pull the bumper right off. Please start. I think I almost had it. Maybe if I get a running start. Jesus. Oh my God. I don't think that thing's coming off easily. I can't tell. God damn, I'm good. Okay, let's try this. Okay, we got the front up. I think it'll... I think it'll go if I drive. Oh, please, for the love of God, work. You're kidding me. Oh my God. Okay. Now let's get this thing on the ground before anything catastrophic happens. Well, after the fiasco of trying to get that off the trailer, I decided to move everything back, close up shop, and come back the next day and start ripping through it. Oh my God. Where was that stick that was in here? Get out of there. Jesus Christ, this thing weighs a lot. Okay. The route I decided to go was to pull the motor and the transmission out together. And I hate working around stuff, so I wanted to take off all the fenders, the grill, and leave the accessories in the front, but the radiator had to come out, and I was having some issues getting it out. Let's try to catch some of this. Yikes. Oh, man. Well, we're at the fun part of the car breakdown where we get to start cutting stuff because somebody welded this straight from this. Oh, wait, no, I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm still just going to cut it. Holy shit. Okay. Oh. The next day I was lucky enough to have some help from my friend Sean, which made everything a lot easier. Because pulling the motor and the transmission out with just one person can be pretty difficult sometimes. What am I doing? Right here, we're having an issue with the passenger side motor mount not wanting to let the motor go. So we try to do some convincing. That is exactly what. Oh, oh, perfect. They ripped. There we go. All right. Yep. Okay, now we're stuck on the. Whoops. Look how much junk is bolted to the front of that. Oh, nice. That was way quicker than last time. All right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to end it off there. Got the motor and transmission out of the Cobra II with minimal effort. So I'm going to call that a big success. Next video, I think we're going to try to get the transmission separated and then take it to a transmission shop. And then hopefully just throw it right into the Blue Mustang. So, yeah.